rather just use a shotgun. Bubba says I need to use a chainsaw when the zombies come. Not quite sure why. But I do have chainsaws, and I love chainsaws, so I guess. How about Boxer? Classic. Good old 056 AV. It's got all the power in the world. But, you know what? Way too heavy. Way too heavy. I love you, Boxer. There's an option. There's the old 048 Super. It's almost as much horsepower as Boxer, but way faster. This thing screams. It's loud enough to raise the dead. But boy, whew, 17 pounds on the power head. That's gonna blow my arm out. I can't do that. Ted, there's always Ted. Good old Ted. Light enough for sure. Gonna have to take that off. Can't really plunge gut into a zombie with that on there. I kind of like to have something a little bit longer to keep them further away. Ah, my favorite saw, my steel wood boss 024. It's too sentimental though. If I have to drop it and run, that would not be good. You can't be losing that saw. So, hey, I forgot all about this. It's Bubba's saw. He was looking for this. I think it's going to have to be the old MS 290. A little bit bigger than the 24, a little bit heavier. It's a little slower too, but it's definitely got enough and it's long enough. What's this? Hey, I forgot all about that one. I bought this a while ago. It wasn't running. I played around with it. Wood Boss 028. It's a little bit bigger than the 24, a little bit powerful. It's actually got I think it's a little more horsepower per weight per pound than the 029. But I know the saw has low compression. So, it looks like a project, Nimrods. We're going to have to break this thing down and get it running before the zombies come. So make sure you stay tuned for those videos. And make sure you subscribe and hit the notification so you don't miss one of these exciting episodes. So share, like, and subscribe. We got to get more subscribers because Bubba's gaining on us, and we can't let that happen. So subscribe. Happy hunting, Nimrods.